Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 58, almost halfway through the Batmobile Tumbler. In this issue, we've got another very quick, short, self-contained build to do. But what I'm going to do at the end is have a look at the parts so far and see how it all comes together and how I think it's going to go together. So stick around for that. Looking at the Batmobile by its cover. Don't know what that means. Cover of the Batmobile. It's the roof or something. I don't know. Feel free to read the words if you like. Baptism of Fire is obviously another story in the Batman history, which I don't know about, but you know, there we go. Norm. So this is what we've got. This is, what does it say? Is the roof of your tumbler and its first support, which is cunningly labelled 1, so you can identify it, but it's the only one in the pack, and it's going on there. So 1 screw, 1 support. We'll put it in place and see what it looks like. Then next time it looks like we've got 3 more supports and another bracket bit, but that's in the next delivery. I haven't got that yet. So let's get this built, see what it looks like, and then have a look at the whole thing. Yes, so we've got the roof, which is obviously a nice metal piece. We've got the support. I've got 1 screw already out of the packet, ready to go. So let's get that on there. Like that. This actually goes in what looks like the top post goes into the hole, and the screw goes through from the other side. And it looks like it should be not quite that way around. It needs to turn around 90 degrees. Let's loosen that off a touch. Turn it around. Get that back together again. So there we go. I'm not sure exactly what that's going to support, but it's going to support something. So that's that. That is another issue done. So let me clear the stuff out of the way and bring in the rest of the build, and we'll see how it's going to look like it's going to go together. So the interior from before lines up neatly with this back engine compartment. There's posts that will lock in place there, so that gives us an idea as to how that's going to go together. This is apparently the engine bay compartment. I've got no idea exactly where that's going to fit. It won't really go. Might go under there, maybe. That's going to have to go backwards a bit. It's possibly under there, a bit like that. I don't know. We'll figure that bit out later. Let's see how this is going to fit onto the frame that we've got. So from this month's build, we've put the front nose onto there. This is going to fit into there. We'll probably just slide in place. There you go. So that's going to fit in there much like that. And that gives us an idea as to all of this. We have got our roof that we've just been dealing with, and indeed the 2 windows, which have got to be for looking out of. So that's got to go over there-ish, maybe. But this has got maybe underneath that. Can't see anywhere where that's going to line up quite yet. It can't cover over this. It might be back there. And that might be over the top of it. Maybe there. I don't know. I can't tell exactly from here. I can't remember the model accurately enough to tell. But that is how it's coming together at almost the halfway mark. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Obviously, hopefully now the electronics will still work where I've had to rewire the steering motor. But the steering is not something that I'm going to be playing around with. The lights coming on maybe occasionally. But yeah, for now, I'm happy with how that's come together. So that is that. There are a few other bits in the box that I haven't got out. But for now, the main bodywork of it looks a bit like that. Quite like it. It's quite impressive. Figure out where that bit goes as well. It's going to be underneath at the back there somewhere, but yeah. So that is it. Another issue done, another month done, another delivery done. So I shall see you in about a month for the next part, but carry on with other part works in the time being. So I shall see you soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now. Aha, fake ending. Dug out the 1/43rd scale version to have a look and see where it goes. That bit goes that way round, about there. The little bracket pieces are obviously going to be for these, the flaps and the spoilery type things. And that window does indeed go about there, just in front, just behind that bit. Now you can't see these shock absorbers in there. So there's obviously more panels that are going to go around the edges there. And then we've got all the whole gold bits to put in there. But that's definitely that bit with the two little pointy bits there. So there's another roof section that will join up this and that. But that's how it's going to go. I still can't really tell about that bit underneath. It doesn't have any real detail underneath, although we've got the gas canisters that we just did. And obviously double wheels. They're going to come at least one issue per wheel. So yeah, nice to have that to use as an idea. But that's how it's going to go together. I like it. So yeah, I'm really going for real now. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.
Yeah.